Everybody, Jason Novotny here with Hiland Construction on Renovate, Alaska, and we are at a home here where we're doing a deck extension. And as you can see behind me, we got the excavator here. We got to dig out a little bit of the hillside here to extend the deck joists out. But let's take a look and see what's going on. As of now, we got some excavation done here. Had to dig out this slope here so we can extend the deck out 4 feet. All of the deck here, the 2x6 is going to come off and replace that with Trex. You can see in the green here, the survey paint, we've laid out sort of where the deck is going to be, where it's going to go. And then you can see down here, I got rebar stakes. I'm putting helical piles on Monday. With Techno Metal Post is coming out to do this, and then that'll support the pressure treated 4x6 that's going to span the joist and support the deck. So that's what we got going on today. I know it looks a little ugly, but we're going to make this nice. We're going to slope this and make this nice, and eventually it'll be reseeded with grass grown and it'll look like the rest of this yard. And one more thing here, we've got this owner wants a ramp for his shed right there, so we can he's got some heavy, I guess some heavy materials and some things he wants to roll up into his shed. So we're gonna dig out a little footing for some blocks we're gonna set, and then we're gonna put some pressure treated lumber for a ramp there, a nice 6 foot long ramp that he's able to get his things in and out of. We got excavation done here. We got our area dug out here to receive the helical piles on Monday. Deck joists are off. Oh, this is great lumber. We're going to use some of this to build a ramp over here. So I dug out a little section here. I'm going to put some blocks in this area. All these branches got to get cut out here, clean all this up. But basically, we've got a little hole here for blocks that we're going to anchor, basically put it in the ground, and it's going to be support for a ramp right here. But this is the rest of it here. So we got all this done, and then helical piles on Monday. And then we've got Techno Metal Post here, and they're putting in the P2 piles to support the deck extension here. So we got 4 of these going in today, and then we're going to take this lumber here, turn it into joist, and continue the deck on out. And then Wednesday's Trex delivery. So here we go. We are back on the deck build here, and as you see behind me that we've got snow. Today we got last night we got 4 inches of snow. And here we are. That's what happens in Alaska. It's what we do, but we get the job done. So anyways, Trex delivered was this morning, and now we've got installation going on here, and we're getting some support joists going in. And take a look and see what we got going on. So we got the first piece on here. We're going to continue nailing that down. Here's our material, and there's my buddy Brett over there hanging joists and getting this all prepped for the Trex to go down. So goal is to get this done today. As you can see behind me, it snowed. We got a foot of snow, and we're actually still on the job site building this deck. I don't know how many contractors will be building decks in the snow, but I'm here finishing this thing. So we've basically got the last piece that goes on here, and then the ledger, and then we're going to call it good basically after that, and then move on to some inside work. So good times. Deck is pretty much done. Sit around here and take a look at it with all the snow. Unfortunately, a lot of big pile of snow. We got snow on us, but it looks good. As you can see, we have a ramp to the shed now. Over here, that's done, and then over here we've got our new deck, our Trex deck that's been built. Owners are very happy with it, and then also put a set of steps in the garage door. We'll take a look at those next. Okay, just a simple landing outside the garage with a couple stair treads, and they're happy with it.